Rambo, you thinking about trying on some new clothes? I got you some new clothes here. Here I have a sweater. I got this at a garage sale for $1. Got him a little jacket here. It's got the little dog paw symbol here. Nice and comfortable. Got some dog hair on it. We tried cleaning it real good. Washed it in some soapy water. And it's already dried. Just a little hair. It's a nice little jacket here. Alright, buddy. Which one you want to try on first? You want to do the sweater? You're not ready to try on any clothes right now? You still tired? Too early? Alright, well, we're going to try them on anyways, okay? Then maybe we might go take a walk at the park. Or did you want to go to PetSmart? Did you want to get some beef jerky at PetSmart? Is that what you wanted to do? I was thinking about it. Good boy. Yes, you are. Okay, let's try them on. Let's see what we got here. Alright, you're going to have to get up because I got to hold the phone here and put your clothes on at the same time. We are going to try the winter jacket. I got to figure out how I can do this with one hand.
I can't forget the day we met. Your eyes so blue, me pressing through. I can't forget the day we met. Your smile so bright, it made me swoon. Our love is like a summer's day, hot and endless in a magic way. Whenever I see you, all I can think is my summer love. Been waiting for you, my love. My summer love. Been waiting for you, my love. I can't forget the day we met.
I can already tell you this could be a little too tight. We are going to try it anyways.
I'm in love with your hair, your lips, your silhouette in the moonlight shine. My love, you won't ever be alone, my summer love. Been waiting for you, my love. Completely beautiful.
Almost. There you go. Alright. It's in. You don't like it, I can tell. I can pretty much tell you're not too crazy about it.
You have my heart, you have my soul, you have my whole, you have my control.
Velcro here, looks like it's got some little Velcro straps here at the bottom.
I'm in love with the summer's day. For you I'd give my life away. Never leave me, never.
Is that too tight, buddy?
My summer love, be waiting for you, my love.
You don't like it?
My summer love, be waiting for you.
You're welcome. Oh, I know. It looks good on you. It looks comfortable. Do you want to pull that back? Is that better? You want to try that? Alright, let's try that here. What you think? You don't like it? You don't even want to try to move with it? Up there? You see anything? Alright, you want to try the other one? Let me look at it. Wow. Gee. Shame. Shake it. Shake it. What are you barking at? He's kind of tight on you, I think. Let's try the other one on, little buddy. I know. It's unpleasant having tight clothes on you. It's kind of annoying, I know. Alright, well let's take this off, little buddy. There we go. Good boy. There you go. You ready to try the other one? What did you do with the other one? Did you hide it? Are you sitting on it? Get up. Let's see if you're sitting on it. Here, get up. Let's see if you're sitting on it. Go ahead. You ain't on it? Oh, there it is. There it is, little buddy. Why don't you turn around this way? Good boy. Okay, let's try to get you through here. Hold your head up, buddy. You probably wear it just like that, wouldn't you? Alright, let's see. This might be tough here. Alright, let's get this on, little buddy. I have a feeling that you don't want to do this one either. But we are going to try it. You can get your leg through here. Too tight. How about just like that? You like it like that? Does that feel funny? You tell me. You don't like it? Alright, well. Let's take it off. You want your other shirt back on that you've been wearing for 7 days straight? You like that one? That's your favorite t-shirt? The dog paws? I think it is. You remember how to get in this one easy? This one fits you pretty good. You could probably stretch the other sweaters, don't you think? Or is that too tight on you? You gotta get your t-shirt on, buddy. It's a little chilly outside, okay? There you go. Let's get the other leg now. What you think now? think now? Let me know how you like your... There you go. I can already tell you like that one. That fits you good. It does. That fits you perfect. Now walk around, show everybody. You feel better? There you go. You gonna jump up in bed? You ready for your morning belly rub? Alright, come on. It's time for your belly rub. Here's his little stool. There he goes. You ready for your belly rub, little buddy? He likes his belly rubbed every morning. You got some pretty color to you, little buddy. Me too. Good boy. You gonna tell everybody bye? Thank you for watching. Say bye, everybody. Thank you for watching. We're gonna go to PetSmart and go eat some beef jerky. Alright, buddy. Are you ready? You ready to go to PetSmart? Go eat some jerky? Alright. Say bye-bye. Bye, everybody.